there's so much rugs actually. There's like nobody at this store right now. Should I do happy? We are in the office. Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. We are in the office. Say hi, my love. Well, finally, I think I mentioned this on one of my vlogs that we wanted to transform this guest bedroom into an office because we just don't have much people that usually come to visit us. This room had to be an office in order for us to, like, you know, get things done and be very organized this year. That is me and Junior's goal, is to be very organized this year and know where all the things are at. So transforming this room into an office was the best route and the best decision ever. Clearly, this office room does not look good yet, which is gonna give me a huge project. We have this desk here that I wanna sell on Facebook Market. Gotta go. This is actually the first desk that we had. Junior picked this out. It was not my vibe at all, and I told him, we gonna end up getting rid of this, and look, we're getting rid of it. And then this TV, we're thinking about probably mounting it over there, so then in case anyone is in this office, they can still watch a little bit TV, but then I feel like it's way too big, so we might end up selling it on Facebook Market. Haven't really decided yet, and we got boxes here that I have to go through. But yeah, so far this is how the office is looking like. Again, I am going to like create a whole mood board of how I want this office space to look like. I love my desk. This is not going anywhere. I'll probably get a rug, probably get 2 little lounge chairs, accent chairs. It's gonna be a whole vibe in here. I'm obviously gonna get ready for the day later on, and I'll probably step out. We're probably gonna go and check out some things and see, you know, what we can get for this office space. But the one thing that I'm excited to do is get a rug. I don't want nothing too big, just a nice little rug. Anyways, I'm so excited for this project. It's not all gonna happen today.
What did you forget?
What did you forget? Your comb. Check here. Do I have a comb? Probably I don't, but so guys, we are out of the house. I do? Wow. I'm actually shocked. Finally, you guys, we are out of the house. It is what time is it? It's 3:01. I know it's a little bit of a late day. We're starting our day a little bit later than usual, but this whole entire day we have just been talking and, you know, kind of talking about our office and how we want it to look and all that good stuff. But yeah, I'm driving, obviously. Y'all should know this by now. Every time my hubby is with me, I don't drive.
That's what I was asking you earlier.
Like, in fact, I wanted to stop at IKEA because I would love for us to look at rugs.
Office stuff.
Yeah, office stuff. I feel like it's gonna be
yeah.
IKEA will be the best route for us.
And we can get like
Menards? What's that, Menards?
Office Depot, some stuff which I'll look.
Or do you want to get something to eat first?
Let's go get something to eat first. Yeah,
we haven't ate anything, so we grab something to eat. Good thing there's no one behind me, but it is such a beautiful day. It's not as sunny as I would like it, but I'll take this weather, y'all, because it's been so gloomy here in Indiana.
Yeah,
it's been so sad. Huh?
At least it's probably brighter.
Yeah, which I'll take this better than the gloom. So it's been really, really gloomy, and I've noticed I don't function well when it's always gloomy at all. Like, at all, okay? It's not my type of weather, so I'm really happy to see some type of sun, or like at least the clouds are clearing up. Junior and the Tatcha, I'm like, wait a minute, is that mine? You really love this product, huh?
Yeah.
I should try to. The crazy thing is I'm not on their PR. That's crazy. So I'm gonna try to get on their PR so you can begin this, and you can begin this for free, babe. The perks of having a husband and he's with you in the car is he gets to put gas in your car. That's the perk. So I'm over here like, baby, fill up my tank so I don't have to do it myself again. I hate filling up gas. Ugh. We decided to get some Mexican food, but this Mexican food is seafood. finally we're here at IKEA. This is the reason why we came to IKEA, so I can see if I can get us a rug for that office space. There's so much rugs actually. There's some over there, there's some over there, but those are too colorful, so I think I'm gonna go on that side and see. These ones are way too big. I don't want something extremely big. And I don't want something too short either. Those might work over there on that side. Update on the rug. They don't have the rug that I want. So now I have to order it online, which is fine. If that's the case, I might just end up checking Ruggable out if I have to order it online, because I thought I was gonna find a rug today and go with it. So just have to order it online or check out Ruggable, so then there's more options on there. I'm ready to go, my love. Yeah. Only came here for one thing, the rug.
One thing only and one thing only.
One thing
it's
only.
Not there.
Yeah, the one thing we came for is not here, so now we gotta go. Why? No, I'm just like, I'm trying to figure out why no one is at the grocery store. And then I'm over here like, maybe everyone is out to eat or something. There's like nobody at the store right now. We're the only ones in the world left.
That's good. So
no, that would be so boring. So I'm trying to get all the ingredients for the green juice. Huh?
Only 3?
Did I say 3 or 4?
It says 3.
3. I have to look for that recipe again. Okay, 2 kales. Hey guys, it is the next day. Happy Sunday. I am currently cooking. I want to sort of meal prep for the week, but not really meal prep, if that makes any sense. So I'm trying to make dinner and have it in bowls for the week, and then lunch and breakfast I'm gonna figure that out probably tomorrow and see what I'm gonna do for lunch. At least for breakfast I usually just cook when I wake up, so that's not a big deal. It's just lunch and dinner is where I need to get it together, so then I don't have to cook. Now I would love to meal prep every Sunday if it's even reasonable for me, but some days I just don't feel like cooking on Sundays because it really does take a lot of hours to cook, so it just depends. But this week meal prepping, it's my 2nd week of doing this and I'm happy about it. So yeah, right now I'm actually cooking some beans and some rice, Junior's favorite meal, and then also chicken. Oh, and I also want to juice for you guys as well, so y'all can see the recipes I'll be using. Super easy, beginner friendly, and I got the recipes from another YouTuber. Ooh, a YouTuber here. I will also link that video down below if you guys wanna watch that to help y'all out. So I'm gonna go ahead and start chopping up some onions, some tomatoes. Let me get that situated. Usually I love putting a lot of tomato in my stew. I have a leftover onion in here. I don't need to cut up oh yeah, that's big. I don't need to cut that up. Oh, you guys, look at this. This brings back so many memories. If you know, you know, Blue Band. My gosh, I have not seen this anywhere. Junior's cousin owns like an African store. She was able to get this. If you know, you know. Here is how everything looks. The only thing left is beans, and that's cooking up right now, but we got the rice underneath the chicken. I steamed up some cabbage, and the only thing left is the beans. But this is how the beans is looking like. So delicious. I'm gonna cover this up. I have this vlog to finish editing so it can go up tomorrow. And my sweet man over there, he's gonna go ahead and juice up so I don't have to do it, and I can focus on editing this vlog so I can get it out for you guys tomorrow, Monday. Not this vlog, but a different weekend in the life vlog that was supposed to go up last Monday, but I didn't get a chance to post it because I didn't get a chance to finish editing it. So that's the goal right now, to just finish it. I mean, I got a huge chunk of it done. Y'all, cooking is a lot, like a lot of work. I know I said that I was gonna edit my video and Junior's gonna juice, but I'm just gonna hop on here real quick and help him do a few because he's also trying to clean up the vegetables and stuff, just so we can like move a little faster. So for the green juice, you would need celery, kale, apples, optional. I love apples, kind of makes it sweet, and I honestly love green apples, and cucumber, and then you also need lime, a whole lime. Now I went ahead and peeled it. Y'all, peeling a lime is so hard. I think it's because it's pretty dry. And obviously you guys know I use my Nama juicer. Okay. And y'all see that juice? Woo! Pop in that lime. Gonna pop in the celery. Really?
No, before that, sorry.
Yeah. That's a lot of juice. It looks so good. So I'm gonna do a taste test. I would recommend putting ice if you want it to taste a lot more better. When it's warm, it's not gonna taste so good, but oh my gosh, that's so good. So just imagine if we had put ice in it, or like,
Oh, one thing we forgot to put in there. Mango!
I'm
just kidding.
What do you think?
We gotta use the mango before it goes.
Should I put ice in it?
Yeah. I think we should have added.
That's really
We should have
good.
added one more.
Huh?
You think it'll make it sour?
Apple?
No.
What?
Lemon.
Lemon? Ooh. That would have made it sour. What's wrong? I have my fingers are like, all right, a little bit cooler. Ooh. So Junior's trying to do the rest of the juicing. I'm gonna head back to editing.
I'm on the second juice. So right now, the second juice we have pineapple, orange, lime, and ginger. So let's get going. No, I haven't tried it yet.
So we can try it on camera.
So now we're gonna try this one and see how it tastes. You wanna go first? Let me get it spicy.
Yeah. Whoa.
It's good.
Whoa, that ginger is strong. That's really good. That's strong. That's really good.
And you can't tell like what's, the only thing you taste the majority of them is like ginger.
Yeah, and I taste the lime.
Ginger
Because it has a little bit of like tart.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
It's pretty good. I think this would be perfect too for the summer. This one tastes really good. It's just really strong when it comes to the ginger taste. So if you don't like ginger like that, probably tone it down. But that is really refreshing.
So my third juice is gonna be, I got 5 red apple, and I have 1 lime, and also I have 3 beets. So right there, and last spinach. First thing I'm gonna start out with is spinach.
The camera went dead. I cannot wait to take this makeup off, y'all. And I just got done editing the vlog that's going out tomorrow. I have been so productive for a Sunday, to be honest. So, my love, are you ready to try this? Yeah, it's not terrible, but
Does it taste like anything?
I mean, beets is very powerful. The beets is powerful, but it's not terrible. I don't know. Whoa. For someone who didn't even want to try it.
There was beets anyway.
I don't know. What do you think? It's not terrible, but out of all of them, which one is your favorite one?
I mean, not too bad.
I personally like the
ginger pineapple and all that.
yeah, that one was refreshing.
And then this one was good better.
I like the green one.
No, I like this one.
You like this one before the green one?
Yeah. Juicing like fresh juice, man, it takes forever.
Sorry, y'all, headset's off. Woo! They're bothering me. I know, juicing takes forever. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog right here. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Whoa, I'm yelling now. Excuse me. Oh. All right, guys, I will see y'all in another vlog.